crew, it's your boy Hawk, keep spinning out, punch back, side, somebody was bad. With another reaction video. So right now we have some Left Behind, Hell Reigns Above. So I reacted to Left Behind's, one of their old John. It was hard. So people said this is different. Jordan requested this, my boy. Oh, Jordan. I got you, boy. I think I was supposed to do this last month, so my bad, my boy. My bad, I got you. Let's get it. You feel me? Hold on, let me put that in. How tough are ya?
No way to save yourself.
My boy. Y'all know I can't do it. Y'all gotta do it for me. You feel me? Hit that! Y'all see that, baby? Hold on, let me buy. Okay. I'm gonna finish you off. Pause. Alright. Hold on, this is way different from what is it, Cut Above? Something like that. I don't know. What y'all listen to? I listened to Out of Line. Oh wait, 2013. Man, baby. That's a while ago. Oh, what y'all finna do with it?
Hell rains from above.
Oh, God knows me. God knows me. I love that. Hit it. Ready? Panic chords make everything better. Everything better, baby. Okay, y'all. I'm sold. Y'all got me. I'm sold. So this that new Left Behind, huh? This that new John, huh? Alright. This thing. That was totally different from that 2013 EP y'all got me on. Looks like I gotta go listen to this album now, you feel me? I gotta catch up, you feel me? I believe there was another album everyone was spamming as well. It was with the red and white. It's like a red and white album, like a little demon child. But I'm gonna get in that. Let me know what you guys think down below. It's your boy Hardcore Keith. You already know what it is. Cause Strick love the kids.